Hello everyone, this is Neeraj here. So I am here back with some news on which to share with you the data, what's happening for the May of 2022. Lately, you've been hearing a lot of things in the news regarding the interest rate hike. A lot of things are in the highlights today, which is happening right now. Consequently, you see that the activity when it comes to the unit sale is actually low by 40%. However, the house prices continue to be strong. It's 9%, all property types over 9% up as compared to last year, for May 2021, up. Condo prices are, kind of, the market is also, the inventory levels kind of not going up that fast. However, in detached area, a lot of inventory is coming up, it's piling up, which is definitely a good thing for the buyers market to be stabilized, because lately we have seen the appreciation, or what was happening, it was unsustainable growth, which is obviously not good for the market overall. I think I am getting a better news that the market is going to stabilize a little bit. However, the prices are better, 9% up, not crazy going on. Condo markets, as I said, the pricing is up, but at the same time, the inventory level is also kind of not saying it's not going up like at crazy because of the mortgage interest rate and the qualifications making a huge difference in it. However, the pre-construction market is definitely strong right now. Great projects are coming up in the market. A lot of people are taking benefit because keeping that one thing in there, that in the future, if the market goes up, but you don't have to pay for the mortgage, and there are little or less impact when it comes to the current mortgage rate. So without any further ado, let me start sharing my screen with you so that I can share some numbers with you. So here you go. I'm gonna share my screen with you just to see the numbers. So let's start right off the bat with GTA market. When you look at the GTA, the average price of the bat, you say like a $1,274,869, which is 18.8%, almost 19% up year over year as compared to last year of May 2021. Number of unit sales is 40,845, which is like down by almost 31%. This is where the impact of the mortgage interest rate, and then highlights what you see, that headline, especially in the news, what you see. Average days on market is 10 days on average, which is down by 23.1%, which properties are still selling. And now what type of properties are selling? Obviously, this is more, which pockets or which micro market are you observing and where is happening. But definitely one thing is for sure, the market or the property has to look good. If the property doesn't show very well, it is a hard time for the seller to sell the property, which means they have to do the prep work. Legwork is more important than ever before, from the realtor perspective, and also from the professional perspective as well. We are still over 2.12 months of inventory. So technically we'll talk about, is there a buyer's market or seller's market? Anything between it says 2 to 3 months of inventory, it is still, we are in a seller's market. When we cross like a 4 months of inventory, that's like a balance, and like anything over 5 is a buyer's market. Right now we're still in a seller's market. A lot of people do ask me this question, but again, at the same time, when it comes to the pre-construction side of it, I just wanted to give you a quick promo is there as well, because I'm going to do what's called a master class in pre-construction. I'm going to do that on June 23rd, 7 p.m. in the evening. It'll be probably hour and a half. You must have received my email. If not, let me know, reach out to me, let me know, so that I can send you a form where you can register for free, and obviously send it to the people, those who are they may get benefit out of it. So I'm going to talk about everything what you need to do when it comes to all I call it the ABCs of pre-construction. Anyways, so on the condo side in the GTA, average price is 770,894, which is 13% up as compared to last year. But the condo sales are down by also 32%, which is like 1,848 units. When it comes to Toronto, the average price is $1,202,309, which is 14.9% up. Unit sales 15,129, which is down by 25.6%. Average days on market is 12, which is down by 25%. And 2.23 months of inventory. When it says, what does that mean? 2.23 months of inventory. Let's say like 5. So let's say around about 7 weeks. So that means if there's no more inventory comes in the market, which is highly not possible, but there'll be no more properties to sell in Toronto. Average condo price in Toronto is $793,124, which is up by 10.6%, and condo sales are 1,264 units, which is down by 32.8%. When it comes to Mississauga, the average price in Mississauga is $1,180,818, which is up by 15.8%. Unit sold 3,770 year to date. It's like down by 29.8%. 9 days and average days of selling, again down by 25%. Condos, average price $672,162, and a condo sales unit number wise is 178, which is down by almost 30%. 2.29 months of inventory, which you're looking at, it's very, very consistent when it comes to the inventory. However, in the Brampton, we see the inventory a little bit low. Average price in Brampton is $1,284,959, which is up by 27.6%. Unit sold is 3,806, which is down by 36.2%. 8 days is an average days on market, which is down by 11.1%. So very competitive market. Brampton, as you see in the previous ones, like down by 25%, and in Brampton is 11.1. Average condo price is $616,010, and total units were sold 43, which is down by 28.3%, and 1.89 months of inventory. Oakville, very, very strong, $1,734,488 as an average price in Oakville, which is up by 17.8%. Units sold 1,399, which is down by 37.8%. Average days on market is 11, which is down by 8.3%. Average condo price in Oakville is $831,938, which is up by 21.4%. And a condo sales is 45. I mean, there's no change in that condo price in Oakville. However, there's just over 2 months of inventory in Oakville. York region is $1,493,789. That's an average price in York region. Unit sold is 6,812, which is 37.2% less as compared to last year. Days of market 11, which is down by 21.4%. Average condo price in York region, why I'm saying Yorkville, I'm not sure, but anyways, $780,703, which is up by 18.9%. And condos, 180 units been sold, which is down by 40.4%. 2.69 months of inventory in the York region. Durham region, again, very competitive. As you see, average price in Durham is $1,123,055, which is up by 25.2% as compared to last year, May of 2021. Number of units sold is 5,219, which is down by 30% almost. And average days on market is 8, which is no change in there. Market is selling very, very competitive. Condos average price is $633,509 in Durham region. Units sold 58, which is down by 1.7%, and 1.36 months of inventory in Durham. I think this is the lowest what we see in long period of time, or the highest in Durham as per se. Something to watch on the market. Trev overall, we watch it for like 6 years. Number of units sold, we look at it, what's happening, especially in the month of May. So if you look at that, again, it's like similar like 2018, we have a very close number. Active listings, again, not, I will say it's still a mid-range, not in a very high. Active listings are available and not too short. So which means a buyer do have some choices, but at the same time, not that many that we're actually over 20,000 or in 2018, 2019, what we noticed. However, the average price, if you look at Trev overall, still continue to go up. If you're comparing with 2017, obviously tapering down 2018, 19, and 2020, and then after that start to climb. 2021 was up, 2022 is up. When it comes to months of inventory, is 2.12, which is not the lowest, but not the highest either. So again, the market shift, the change, what we're seeing right now, I think it's a good change. It's giving everybody a consistent growth for a seller perspective, and in a good inventory, some choices for when it comes to the buyer perspective. This is my favorite chart all the time. I'll talk about that. This is kind of show us the trend, how's that happening. And this is again from starting from February of 2018. So market, as we talk about, always goes up and down, which is the nature of the market. It is a healthy sign. After the Feb, it was the top in 2022, we're seeing that its market is literally coming down. Now, right now, if you see that pricing, if you go back in 20, let's say when we talk about like December 2021, I think like I'm talking about like September, October 2021, we're still higher than that. However, the trend is actually down, which means if you get a property, if thinking about in today's market, I'm talking about till the next month, month over month, things changes. If you're able to compare, I mean, I compare these things to these 4 months. I'm talking about September, October, November, December of 2021. But after that was a non-sustainable or unsustainable growth. We notice, obviously, if I'm comparing a property today in the market, what's the fair market value? I am going to probably look into these 4 or 5 months, look into it, what's happening there. What that gives me a confidence that my trend line, if it goes like this toward a straight line, I will be close to the same number. So which means I'm not overpaying for anything. And from a seller perspective also, if you're thinking about selling it, I hope you're not expecting February or March pricing anymore, right? Because right now the trend is downwards. Maybe it goes down for the next week, next month. We don't know yet, but we have to wait. But till that, I think this is we are at right now. So the market is definitely moving into a right direction. This is what I think it's moving into the right direction. Good for the economy, good for the buyer, and good for the seller. Not a perfect equilibrium in the market, but it's still it's a direction. It's good. But anyways, if you need to talk about a little bit about the numbers, feel free to give me a call back. I can be reached at 647-282-8078. Hopefully you follow my some of the weekly market updates, especially in the Durham region, what I do. But if you're more specific in your area, in your region, you want to let me know. Follow me on, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, whatever your favorite platform is. I guess I am there. But anyways, I look forward to connecting with you again next month for the stats of June 2022. Till that, have a great one. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.